Urwa says that it was mentioned before Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha that Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu stated that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "A dead person is meted out torment in grave on account to his family's weeping." Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, "He has forgotten." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "A dead person is tormented due to his mistakes or his sins, while the members of his family weep over him." And this saying of Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu is similar to his this saying that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam on the day of the battle of Badr stood at the mouth of the pit wherein the dead bodies of the polytheists were lying. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam addressed them but did not say that they were hearing his address, and Hazrat Ibn Umar forgot it. Actually, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "They have realized what I used to tell them was a fact." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then recited these words. Translation: "You do not make the dead hear." Surah Naml verse 80. And translation: "And you are not to make those who are lying in their graves hear." Surah Fatir verse 22. He is telling about the time when they have made their abodes in hell. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2151.